Welcome to Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out with Julie Coraccio. Every Tuesday at 1 p.m., Julie interviews experts on all areas of clutter: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Learn easy-to-implement tips on how to release clutter and get organized to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire. An award-winning professional organizer and coach, Julie also shares suggestions to help you live clutter-free for a more joyful and fulfilling life. Are you looking for information on how to get organized and reduce clutter? Have you wanted to hire a professional organizer, but it's not in your budget? Do you just need some quick professional advice on clutter or organization? Our Clutter-Free living classes and how to organize your life office hours support you in becoming free, moving forward, and achieving success. Learn more at reawakenyourbrilliance.com.
Got support? I was asked to contribute to a book for mind hacks for business entrepreneurs. They selected a few of my essays, and I wanted to share this one. When I first started my internet TV show, people at the station soon became jealous of me. I tried to get all of us to work together because I believed we could have grown all our shows. There was so much competition and jealousy, I decided to leave. Now, I could have made the choice to try and stay, but I went with my intuition. I believed things were not going to change and get better, and I was ready for the next step. Leaving allowed me to create a podcast and video series using Google Hangouts on Air. What else did this lead to besides this podcast? I expanded my network, met really amazing people I never would have met, and discovered new subjects I was interested in. My soul is fed, I've expanded my audience, and I'm happier. I didn't try and change people. I went out and found like-minded people who support me. Many times in the past, I would try to change someone, or change or shrink myself to make someone else comfortable. No more. Sometimes the best thing you can do is walk away. I believe when you take that first step, your higher power, God, universe, whatever's most comfortable for you, steps up to meet you and provide you with better people who have more of a we than me attitude. I have found that in life sometimes you cycle through friends. When I first opened up my business, my women's networking group was great and very supportive, but that changed. I was very afraid about losing income, but they weren't giving me any referrals, so I thought, what have I got to lose? I soon started getting more clients online and attracted coaching clients who opened up a whole different income avenue for me. Try not to judge anything as good or bad. Just observe and do what is best for you. Sometimes we are only meant to walk so far with people. Some people have so much stuff going on in their own lives, they're unable to support you in your endeavors, so try not to take it personally. This same principle can also be applied to clutter in your life. Do people support you releasing physical clutter or sabotage you by bringing you things even when you've asked them not to? Or by insisting you hold all of the family stuff that no one else wants but won't let you throw it away? I've seen this happen with clients. When you say you want to meditate, do people say, great, or say, do it later, let's go have fun now? When you want to end a friendship because someone is unkind, do your friends support you or try and talk you out of it? If you are trying to bring awareness into the spiritual clutter in your life, do friends say it's a waste of time, you're fine the way you are? Are there people in your life with negative energy that overwhelm you when you see them? Do your friends honor your request to not invite them when you are getting together, or does that person show up at every occasion? Those are just a few examples to get you thinking and really examine if the people in your life are truly supporting you. Here's an exercise to try. Find people that really, truly support you. Create a mastermind group, find an online community, go hang out at a place you really enjoy, like a coffee shop, and see who's there. Set the intention to meet your tribe and like-minded individuals. As you let go of people that aren't so great, it creates space for others that will support you. And this, like clutter, is a no excuses for me. Even if you're in the middle of the desert, You're in Iceland, you're in a rural community with online access, you can find the people that support you. Google Hangouts is a great example. I've met some wonderful people in that community. If you're struggling with clutter, consider getting support in the form of a professional organizer, coach, a book, a course, a friend, a support group. There are lots of options out there to work with all budgets and lifestyles. Sometimes support does need to come from a professional, and that's okay. I know many of us are taught that that's a sign of weakness, but we can't be great at everything. Get support where you need it. All right, everyone, find some support for the amazing person you are so you can share your gifts with the world. Clear some clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.
Thanks for tuning in to Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out. Sign up for our newsletter and receive a free copy of 10 clutter-free living tips. Ready to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire? Learn about Julie's coaching, ebooks, online monthly decluttering classes, how to organize your life, office hours, and her unique clutter-free living mastermind at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. You can also watch all episodes on YouTube or download on iTunes and more. Join us next Tuesday at 1 p.m. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step.